welcome back. In this video we will learn how to create a managed package. In the last video we have learned about namespace and how to create a unmanaged package. So as you can see, hello world package is already visible. So let's uh, open it, and also by the time we will create the package, also uninstall the package we have installed in our application, because the upgrades will not be available, because the package which we have installed earlier is an unmanaged package, so we have to uninstall it. So that's the difference between major difference between unmanaged package and a managed package. So we have to uninstall it, and now let's go to package manager. And as you can see, the earlier the packages of type unmanaged, so we have to click on edit and make it managed, and click on save. So now the package has been converted into a managed package. As you can see, it is written here, and let's upload the same components. So let's upload, and also you can see we are getting an option of post install script. Let me show you once again. If we go to that package, post install script, we will learn more about post install script in the next videos, but in unmanaged package we don't get the option of adding post install script. So let's upload it now. And here the version, and here you can see we have to choose between release type, whether we want to make it managed release or managed beta. So managed release use when you are already ready to publish to App Exchange, so we are not ready yet, and use managed beta if you want to give the package to your team for testing and reporting the bugs, and then you will fix those bugs, and then again you will give the package to the team for confirming if the issues are resolved, and then you will create a managed release package, and then you can submit it to Salesforce for security review, and once the review has been passed, then the package will be available in the Salesforce for other users. So let's click on upload. Now I don't want to create managed release, I want to create managed beta, and upload. And once it get upload, then I will install it. As we have already seen in the earlier video, like it take time for the package to upload, so I will cut the video here, and once it is available for installation I will resume. Thank you very much. So as you can see, I have got one mail from Salesforce, and it says package upload succeeded, and the version is 1.1, and we have created the package of managed beta, that's why we are seeing beta 2. So let's click on the link and give our user credentials, and then we will see the installation screen. Let's also move it to here because we will not get confused, and also we have uninstalled the package from this org. Let's wait, and now you can see the option for name, the conflict is also gone, so we can assume that for any custom objects or custom setting or any Apex class, the namespace will be added with the name of them. So let's install. It will take some time, and by the time it is getting installed, let's just refresh these pages, and we will see. It takes some time. So now I think the package has been installed successfully. Let's go to installed packages and just confirm it, and then we will confirm for the objects and custom setting along with the tab. So hello world has been installed. So let's go to object manager and search for student, and here you can see if it is available. Now the namespace has been added before the name of the object. Let's do the same thing for custom setting also. Here you can see state custom setting will be visible, and here you can see that namespace has been added. So that's it in this video, and also we have to check for tab. So let's just confirm it. You can see student is also visible. So that's it in this video. In the next video we will learn about post install script. So post install script are used, suppose if you package, you want to do certain things in the org of the user which who has installed the package. Suppose if I want to create some custom setting records in the package in the org of the user, then I will use the post install script. I will write the apex code. That code will be automatically run once the installation has been done and the records will be created. We will explore about it in the next video. Thank you very much.